So basically, yeah, I had a power surge. So because of that, I could not stream basically. Stream got cut because of power spark, but hopefully I fixed the problem as for now, so it won't happen again. So just let's focus on the streaming again. The inauguration will begin after an hour or so. So I'll before that as much as possible we'll try to scalp. Again I'm saying anything is possible today. So be careful. Okay, so gold is what gold does. This is what I was talking about. If this drop happens, it happens. I'm expecting a drop. Let's see. when it happens, right now or later on. But one thing's for sure, Bitcoin is moving in a really dangerous manner. Bitcoin, if it breaks all-time high, is gonna go above. Who knows where it will go, but there is 90% chance that Bitcoin will go above. But the matrix is just watching. I don't trust the matrix. Matrix will always try to keep the rich richer and poor poor. So let's just break down and do a realistic analysis of Bitcoin, because this is what's happening. This is a 5-minute chart. On a 5-minute chart, this is all time high. And if you are somebody who's looking for a scalp, short scalp, this is the low of Tokyo session. Exactly the area where everything start pumping. And this is where my take profit is also. I'm looking for Bitcoin to at least drop this low, so we could take our profits. It's not a big target, but it's a realistic target given that how far we have come along. 1 hour, if we go look at the 1 hour, the 1 hour time candle is showing that previous candles they closed off bearish, which is possibly showing a rejection. It's just a matter of fact we see a candle like this, but I don't expect any magic today. It's dangerous to trade Bitcoin, so I advise mostly to people not to trade today. That's my advice. And the advice of Jongxina, put him here. What will China do today? China will sell Bitcoin. Why? Because that's how it is. If you look at what Donald Trump is trying to do with the Bitcoin, don't you think that the people around the world will try to drag down Bitcoin? I mean, they are heavily invested, but they know that a huge majority of the people they are all in on Bitcoin. It wasn't a coincidence that this morning in the Tokyo session, so it wasn't a coincidence that suddenly, all of a sudden, during before the Asian market, Bitcoin just dropped down, and I came live to show you guys, and it was a nice scalp. It was a really nice scalp. A lot of people later on messaged me they were sleeping the mist. As I said during the stream, only one or two people were watching. This is exactly what happens when you are sleeping. This is what happens. But there are some guys who are in the trenches. If you don't know what trenches is, it basically is it's a place where all the traders sit down and trade all night. There are people who just are awake 2 to 3 days sitting over there. Yes, baby, hold on a second. And this is exactly what happened, that it started dropping down and it didn't make any sense, and people are asking me why was it dropping. My simple answer to them was, do you remember the Bitcoin Nashville event when he came on the rostrum and started talking? Bitcoin just dropped down. And why the hell you think that happened? Because it wasn't pumping because he wanted to, it was pumping just because there are some dark forces in the world. Those are responsible for the pump and dump. They decided to pump it and they decided to dump it. Now, in an event like this, when Donald Trump is inaugurating, when everybody is all in, when Solana is reached $300, that people are going crazy depositing Solana and trying to get into Bullx or buy Trump coin and any other coin, and the brokers are trying to stop them. Everything is trying to stop them from basically reaching financial freedom. And at the same time, that day's inauguration, what do you think is possibly going to happen? The entire world is going to suddenly become rich? Do you think it's going to be that easy? Do you think everything is going to keep on pumping? Maybe for a while, but it doesn't work like that. It has never been like this. I've been trading for God knows 2016, 17. I know how things are. If things are looking really good, you should be worried. And if things are looking really bad, you should be more worried. Because that's how things are right now. Things are looking really good in terms of Bitcoin. Bitcoin, after went in the morning in the Asian session, it is dropped down, but soon as he came back after the dinner, he gave a speech and it started pumping again, right? That's when it broke all-time high, and since then it's just laying over there like it's nothing. And all I'm saying is, I'm being really careful. This is after this 4 hourly closes, what we're gonna see is the next 4 hourly, in which there's Donald Trump is gonna be inaugurated. The timing is so crucial in this case that I don't even know what the hell is gonna happen to Bitcoin, because already standing near all-time high. And the same I'm saying that what you saw in the morning, it can replicate, it can repeat. Surely one thing's for sure, if you think that it's gonna pump up, everybody thinks like that. 90% of the people are expecting it to pump. And I think it already pumped. If we see a rejection, that might be healthy, but everybody wants Bitcoin to pump, right? So when everybody wants something, there is 90% chance that that thing happens, but 10% chance is that it doesn't happen. And when that 10% is like filled in by the institutions and the actual people who control the market, then even there are 90% people on the other side, it doesn't matter. Those 10% people who are like the 1% of this global population, the elite class who actually control our lives, makes the financial decisions. If they decide, they can do whatever the fuck they want with everybody's life. They're the individuals deciding the interest rate, the GDP, the monetary policies, the loans, the this and that. You and I, we are just working in their system. So they are the system, they make the system, they make the rules, you just follow the system and follow the rules. And if you, my dear, today are caught up on the wrong side of the history, you're gonna be just like me, regretting, I wish I bought Bitcoin in 2012. But please don't do anything stupid today. The best thing is to not to do anything. Yesterday and the day before that, hey Bilal, what's up? Trump coin, Bilal, I bought it actually. I bought it at 25, still holding it. And his wife Melena, her coin also came and I bought it again this morning at $2 or $3. Is right now at $10. You need to get them early on Bullex. I will share the details soon. Bullex Neo is a platform where you can deposit Solana and purchase them. It's a whole a lot of other thing. I'm basically introducing uh, Discord access pass for individuals who want to sit down and live trade with us. I am introducing live streaming access. It will have a minimum fee, but it will be basically for all those people who want to learn, learn by watching us trade, not by taking any courses, just by, spending time. And probably everybody needs a place to sit and trade, right? So I will share the detail later. First thing first is you need to understand is Trump coin is pumping, and if you think that you are late on it, no, you are not late. This is still undervalued. That coin has the potential to blast pump. I don't know how much, but I'm holding it. I'm holding it to an extent. I'll say that, for example, I bought $1,000, right, of worth of that coin. So right now I'm sitting at $4,000-5,000. That much 3x it has given me profit. Okay, and there are people. There was this guy. He invested $50,000 when it got launched on Bullex, and he holded it. And back when it went up to like $25, when I bought it, he made around 1.5 million. He turned 50,000 into 1.5 million, and there were people still trading on it. I checked it yesterday. People made 40-50 million. Yeah. And there are more than 200 or 300,000 more, sorry, more than 700-800,000 people holding that coin. So yes, it's on top 5 meme coins right now, and I think, I mean, I can be wrong, but I think that it will take Bitcoin's place. The way it's pumping, I think it might, because if Solana he launched it on Solana, right? He talked about Bitcoin. Yes, he still is. Bitcoin is also pumping, but the fact that he launched his coin on Solana and Solana is pumping, I think that is a good thing for crypto. But crypto is a Ponzi scheme. After all, it has no security. It can pump up and it can drop. It can drop instantly. So this is a huge risk factor. It is highly rewarding, but it is highly risky too at the same time. So I mostly advise people not to do anything today if you don't know what you're doing. If you have any more questions, ask me up. Gold is as today is safe. I can say is that you can sell gold and make profit on it. Why? Because elite wave, baby. This is a nice area for shorting. Although for further confirmation, I will wait till 100, 2706. I will wait for it to drop to 2706. Then I would enter a sell. And same goes for Bitcoin. I'll be here live streaming the Donald Trump inauguration, and we will basically go through the entire process. So yeah, and why are you guys not sitting in Discord? I've been telling and saying to people, please sit on Discord, free voice channel. I will drag you guys up. We are trading over there daily. It doesn't matter. It's for your own benefit, guys. Don't be alone. Sit in our community or somebody else's community, but be somewhere where you like where you're not alone. Because if you're alone, you make mistakes, right? So I don't want you guys be alone. Because if you guys be alone and trading in a time like this, you will be making mistakes. And yeah, Milana coin right now is live on perpetual futures too. This was 52 minutes ago. I don't know how much that coin is right now. Trump token, everything is so bullish today, and it doesn't seem right. It doesn't seem right. Something is off. But anyways, I'm happy that everybody made profit, including me, in this bull rally. And but it's better to take your profits, right? Because you know the market can take it all back. If I took the profit, I don't know what will happen now. And I'm being saying again and again and over again that S&P 500 is above 6,000 now. Gold is also above 2,700. Silver is 4 hourly bearish. Bitcoin is too bullish at the same time. Crude oil is dropping. I don't know what's the future for Bitcoin, but I think it's about time for a retracement because in a bull rally you get a 25 to 30% retracement daily. We saw this drop earlier this Tokyo session. This drop it from 105 to 99, nearly 6,000, to $6,000. Now it's near all-time high. If it drops, get a rejection from here, it will surely go to previous low area around 89, and if 89 breaks, it's gonna go to 80. But if it's able to break above all-time high, maybe it hit 116, 120. I don't know. We have to wait and watch. But as far as I can see, this 4 hourly candle, which will close after 27 minutes, and I think that's the exact time Donald Trump is gonna. And yeah, you were asking me what was Trump coin and what's the story. The thing about Trump coin is that Trump's when he was in the election era, he was basically saying to people that if he gets elected, he's gonna remove the American debt and he's gonna purchase Bitcoin and he's gonna make a strategic reserve of cryptocurrencies and will improve people's life. And he did that first by introducing his own coin. People who bought that coin, his mostly people are from America who they're his supporters, because in America when the elections happen, people have to politicians, they have to take money from the general public as a donation to spend it on their campaign. They cannot use their own money. The law is like that. So people kind of donated him and he wanted to give people, but even he's want to bring up a change in a system over there. So this is why huge drop on gold. So this is why he introduced this coin. And even if somebody bought around $100 worth of Trump coin when it was $1, he would have made around $1,000 on it. I think 800 or $1,000 by now. That much, because it was introduced on Bitget on 25% leverage, but there were some early buyers on Bullx and other platform. Uh, Gold. Oh yeah, my chart is frozen. I don't know why. Thank you for pointing that out. My chart. Yeah, huge drop. I've been expecting a drop. If you are in a sell from 2710, good. I gave this a earlier entry on Friday, just around here, and for some reason it just dropped at the same, around the same area. But I'm trading less today because of this inauguration and bank holiday in America. I'm being really careful, and so as you should be. Yes, you can make big money, but nobody can predict a market, right? We can follow the price. There is no high impact news. We have just technicals and fundamentals, so there is no sentiment. Sentiment is completely unknown. All we can do is see where the volume is. Good, miss you, good. We see where the volume is and we try to cash in the volume. I sense the volume in Bitcoin today in Sydney session. I hope I can catch it again, but all I see is a big, big, large blue candle, and everything is like when you finish a movie, then you don't read after credits, right? You walk away. So this is the end of the movie. So what are people are gonna do who have been holding Bitcoin? Are the whales gonna take their profits on all time high and short sell this thing, or are they gonna push it any further? I always say is that when a lot of people, they are on a pump rally, in a pump rally, whales like to short squeeze them. Like over here, this drop in Asian session when Trump was talking, dropped. It wasn't supposed to do that. It took around 4 hours to completely like finish up this candle, and in less than half an hour it just pumped up. This was an insta pump, and now I am having that feeling that it's gonna drop down. If we see a rejection, let's go back in history over here. Earlier on, when it pumped like this over here, we saw a possible rejection. Then it struggled, then dropped. Similar over here. So if it does this again, don't be surprised. Be mentally prepared. And I've been saying to people that this is monthly candle. Last monthly candle closed in bearish. So keep in your mind that this month too, it can close bearish. Okay. And as soon as it crosses 93, this candle is gonna be a monthly candle. Monthly red bearish candle. As long as it's above 96 is green. And there are a lot of FOMO buyers over here. And whoever, for example, if there are huge amount of people buying Bitcoin at this price, so you guys are smart enough to, and look at this, by the way, this was a trend line in the today's what do you call session. It looked like it's gonna follow the price action, but it seems like it just completely ignored the price action and went up, breaking all time high. And currently, if we see a rejection, we might still be in the price action game. So my bet is that I think of extreme crazy thing, unthinkable things, because market like to fuck with retail traders head. Always do. It's like a chess move, right? You need to think of 10 moves ahead. So this is my 10 moves ahead. Each and every possible outcome, the worst one. Why? Because remember way back I gave you guys a professional advice that if market wants to drop, it will make a push, and if it wants to push, it will make a drop. So just like that, before this pump, we saw that market dropped, and it was a clear sign for me that if this next 4 hourly doesn't close bearish, it's gonna be a bullish candle the next one, and it did. And now when inauguration is coming, whenever market wants to drop it, it pumps up. So a huge volume, buy side volume is sitting over here. And I assume that all their stop losses are sitting from 105 to 99,000. And if you find the liquidity, you will find the your take profit zone. So your take profit should always be at somebody's stop loss liquidation zone. Yeah, I know people will not agree with me, but I'm not here for everybody. I'm just here for those people who understand these things and want to take their trading on the next level. Coming back on gold, I was here in the Tokyo session. I advise people is that buy, don't sell now, buy. I don't know if you guys bought or not, but I was on a buy over here. I didn't give this trade to anybody, neither in the premium groups, but some guys they know me. I was sitting in the premium voice channel and private. It's private, so they joined actually, and they took this trade with me. I was sleepy, so I slept. I was streaming, so I put Bitcoin and on live stream, and I slept. I'm still sick, by the way, and I was thinking I will not stream, but here I am streaming. So let me see, when is Donald Trump inaugurated? When is he? uh, let me see. Hold on a second. So basically, it's Martin Luther King's birthday. So there's gonna be a holiday. Okay, understandable. Market's gonna close off early. I'm just waiting now. Let's move to gold. So it is dropping. Now the question is how far will it drop? And not much is expected today. But we are still here and right trading. There is a chance that 4 hourly drops down. Bitcoin, I mean. But it should have dropped down a couple of hours ago. This pump has a huge potential. Turn this trade the other way around. It's just a matter of fact that when will it do this? I'm holding on to this sell from here. Here, I opened a sell and this area around 2011 because this was my previous signal. I put my stop loss as 20, both of them. I'm taking it easy. Really easy, nothing. These are my entries actually. This was the exact same entry, and if you want any proof, you can just go on Telegram group. I posted the exact details, and yeah, right now we are in a phase of migrating from Telegram to another platform or signals, so it is taking time for everybody to arrive over there. But in the meantime, we are providing signals on Telegram DM. And if you don't want to move to that platform like some of the people, our services will still be available on Telegram. Nothing. I'm today. I'm just want to relax. Today, as I said, the drop on Bitcoin, that profit, it was crazy for me. Whenever I open a sell and it drops that much, I just try to trade less than because it fucks with my head. That pump too, I did nothing. I just saw the pump, did nothing. Not didn't even dared enter that bar because it goes up, it comes down. It goes. This is like this area is extreme oversold area. Bitcoin on 1 hour is on overbought zone, on CCI, on RSI, on Scotch. Everything is screaming. What? What is it screaming? It's screaming all time. And overbought. And if you are doing what everybody else is doing, then you should probably think twice what you are doing actually. This 1 hourly candle, this is 1 hour candle is the candle I was talking about. This one which popped up right now. If it's gonna be a rejection, I don't know how far this thing is gonna drop. And if this thing is gonna go up, I don't know how far it's gonna go above. It's already near all-time high. It broke all-time high, and 90% of the chances that it will break all-time high again, for which I am mentally prepared. And just waiting for the Donald Trump inauguration and looking at gold, looking at Bitcoin, all that stuff. I don't know. It's like pump the rumor and sell the news, or the other way around. I don't know, man. I don't know. Nobody knows. You can just go both ways too. If you have two accounts, go on one account, open buy and then sell, and you say, "Oh, I'll make profit." No, no, you won't. What if you got stopped out at both ways? Don't try to act smart. But this candle is telling a lot about what's happening on this 4 hour. The way is curving. One thing is for sure, it will drop, it will, but to what extent, I don't know. I don't know to which extent is gonna drop. Gold, I'm not worried. The kind of move that we're gonna see on Bitcoin can make anybody days really good. This drop, simply, this is smooth as a scalp. Even Jong Shina approve of this scalp. If if you don't take the short scalp, Jong Shina is gonna send you to the scalp labor, where you're gonna scalp for the rest of your life. In Jong Shina, enough jokes already, but yeah, this is a nice area where I think a lot of whales are looking to short sell this zone. Like before Donald Trump actually comes in, drop the market till here, take the profit. As soon as they see his face on the news channel, they start pumping it up, breaking all-time high. The first scenario like this. Second scenario, it just keeps on dropping and nothing changes. It just keeps on dropping. And third scenario, it just pumps up without any reason. Right? So let's just wait and see what happens. And let me put on some weird ass shit for you guys so you guys can enjoy the stream. Trying to find something. I don't know where I put it. Here comes the drop, baby. Here comes the drop. Scalp that shit. Don't forget to take the profits, okay? Don't forget to take the profit. Or if you don't take the profit, you're gonna be one sorry. You're gonna have a lot of what do you say problem. And this is the drop I'm talking about. It's gonna drop till here. This is your TP zone. Take your profits if you're scalping like me. I'm gonna focus on my trade now while looking at this drop. Again, I'm saying I don't know how far it will drop, so be careful, okay? Don't do anything stupid. Hit the like button, guys, and subscribe the channel. I'm not feeling good today, I'm sick, but even if I'm sick, I'll try to come online for you guys, so at least appreciate and hit a like button. Just wait for it. Here comes it again. Here it comes again, the push, baby. It's gonna like push harder. Push harder. Let's go. Push harder. More. We are out of juice. More. Push more. Like this. Come on, guys. Keep pushing. Keep it dropping. At least it's gonna drop to 100k. I'm gonna take my profit at 100k and I'm just gonna, relax then. Because I'm not trying to be greedy, although I know that if it breaks past 100k, it has the potential to drop to 91, 92, but at least there will be a pullback in somewhere in between. So I'll wait for that if that happens. But if this is a fake dropout and it actually starts pumping up, I don't know. But logically speaking, it should drop down and liquidate a lot of buyers who are actually on a buy. So I think it's about time buyers are gonna get liquidated. Donald Trump inauguration. Let's see how it's going. Nope, still not out. So just waiting for him. Here is the drop. I think this is the drop that I was referring to. I was looking for something, I couldn't find it, so I'll just focus on the Bitcoin drop now. You too should scalp Bitcoin. This is a really nice area. But today, since it is inauguration, I'm not giving Bitcoin signal. Even though I know it's gonna drop, but I'm not giving it because bank holiday plus it's inauguration. If people get in late and they just open it and leave it, I don't wanna feel bad for them. Although I make profit out, I know how to do that. But at least 20 to 30% of the people, they are busy or they miss out. So I know their mistakes. So, but anyways, I have informed them. Just stick with your plan, guys. Stick with the plan. Remember, okay? Remember what I said. Take your profits and walk away. Don't think of a magical drop, huge drop that is gonna solve all your life problems, that is gonna pay off the loan, buy you a home, make you a millionaire. Then you go marry off your hot chick girlfriend, go on a world tour, open a factory, become boss man. No, not that kind of a fucking huge profit. Be realistic, that huge drop is never gonna happen. Fucking take the small profits and walk away. Learn to take what market gives you and walk the fuck away. And you will live a happy day as a trader every day. And just keep saving money, keep saving money, keep saving money, keep saving money, keep saving and investing money every day. Take profit out, put in a saving account, and trade from your equity. This is how you should manage your equity. If you keep on trading with a whole amount and don't put some money side on the saving or for your dark days, you're gonna fucking blow up your account all the time. If you don't know what you are doing, you can message me, I'll help you out. But it's better to come in the premium package, baby, because that's where you get not only get guidance, but you will get financial advice too, a really good one. But even then, after telling you everything that what you need to do, even then you don't follow it, then it's on you, baby, not on me. But a lot of majority of the people, they listen, they're nice people, nice individuals. They try to follow as much as possible, and that's the reason they are some of the nicest people I met. Humble people. If this is the mega drop I'm talking about, then it's good. First zone 105k. It's dropping. Here it comes. Here it comes, baby. Let's go. Let's go to Zhongxing. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Work, work, baby, work, work. Work, baby, work, work, baby, work. Work, baby, work. Damn it, work. Hola, 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 hola. Holy shit, the drop is real. Real as hell. Who's watching, guys? Be active. Come on, guys, be active. Just the continuation of a drop. Just patience is the best part. If you know how to be patient, how to do, you have to develop first patience. Patience is necessary. This is why I prefer swing trades over scalp trades. Now, some of you will won't agree with me and say this is a scalp. This is somehow in between a scalp and a swing. But patience is required. Scalpers don't have patience. That's what I don't like about it. But somehow, uh, I try teach people to be in a hybrid mode in between a scalp and a swing. They don't say they exactly know how to utilize their time and their mood and their actions. Okay, come on, baby. Keep dropping. 100k is first target. At 100k, I'm gonna take all my profits and then wait. I think 100k will be around the area where the inauguration will start, or even right now around this area it can start. But just saying that how important it is actually. Maybe the entire market crash downs. Maybe the internet is shut down. The entire world. I mean, anything can. Maybe somebody is able to assassinate Donald Trump. God forbid. But if anybody is on the sell side, then holy shit for him. The chances are too much. There's a lot. There's like a lot is a lot of stuff is at stake today. Not just money. Yep, the drop, the pullback, the drop, the pullback. Patience, brothers, patience. Market rewards the person who's patient. Wealth is transferred from an incompetent person to a competent person. And the factors that determine that the qualities is patience, hard work, smartness, adaptability, survivability. Everything else is bullshit. So here's the thing, on a 1 hour scotch I can see the price dropping down from scotch from overbought zone down towards the oversold zone. On ADX I can see the negative correlation affecting the positive correlation. On the other hand, RSI is also shifting downwards from overbought zone followed up by CCI. And at this area, everything is screaming a normal bearish divergence, either on the 1 hour or on the 4 hour. And all it takes you is to draw that overbought zone, and then you are in for a buy. If you are not in a sell, then wait for the drop to complete, then upon completion, enter along. What's your prediction? I don't know, man. I'm sick today. I'm fucking talking gibberish. My mind goes back and forth. Look at this pullback. Holy shit. But yeah, the drop is still there pretty much. If we come from 5 minute to 15 minute, we'll see we're still in the green, baby. There was a reason back in the days our teacher used to blackboards instead of whiteboard, because you could do anything on the chart and wipe it off easily. Marker is a bit of annoying. Anyways, but 15 minute, here we are, baby. Here is the TP zone. Thanks to Zhongxina. But if this zone breaks, then the next stop will surely look at this. Does anybody think that after this candle nobody will sell this thing and everybody is going to be selling? And this thing now has the potential to drop somewhere around 95 to 90,000 zone. My hands are shivering. What the fuck? When is he gonna come, man? Let me wear the headphones. Yeah. US equities. Okay. Gains in Bitcoin and strong prior to Trump taking office. US equities futures is in a limited range as the dollar falls ahead of Trump inauguration. Bitcoin price reached a record high. Trump is set to issue a slew of execution order on his first day in office, including directives on immigration, tariffs and energy, as part of a broad push to immediate enact his policy agenda. While many investors anticipate that these actions would be beneficial to business, they will also add an element of uncertainty. Even before taking office, Trump is influencing market. His promise to use emergency powers to enhance domestic energy output while turning away from renewable sources caused shares of various energy companies to fall. Futures, the S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 were barely moving, with Wall Street being closed for the holiday on Monday. The dollar index fell for the first time in 3 days, although it remained close to the 13-month high set earlier this month. The Euro Stoxx 600 index remained stable after erasing a slight raise at the start. Now here's the thing. Donald Trump is Donald Trump. He moves the market from its twists and his tongue. Knowing what, okay, European stock rose along with US equity futures as the dollar fell ahead of Trump inauguration. Bitcoin reached all-time high. Now Bitcoin is dropping. Let's keep this way. So here's the potential thing. It's gonna keep on dropping. It's gonna keep on dropping. Okay, where was I? This thing. We are in a short from here, so we're just gonna. I'm gonna let my shorts run. And on gold, gold is also short is running, but my main focus is gold right now. Although it should be Bitcoin, but Bitcoin is all-time high, right? All near all-time high. Same scenario over here. It's either gonna drop or it's gonna, I don't know, man. Just I'm gonna enjoy what's coming next. I feel like a huge potential drop will happen before Donald Trump inauguration begins. Maybe it's a 10k, 15k, or maybe it goes to 80k and pumps up because market needs a huge correction before it moves up. And I said earlier on that as a professional advice, if market wants to push forward, it makes a drop. If it wants to make a drop, pushes forward. Same as in Tokyo session, when it dropped down, I exactly knew that if this drop is when this drop ends, it's gonna be a push, and it dropped. It stopped after 4 hour candle got over, and the next 4 hours it closed bullish, and that's exactly where people should enter. I didn't took this by now exactly before the inauguration. The market just rejected. So exactly what I'm trying to say is that if market wants to pump at an inauguration speech, then of course Bitcoin will drop before that, somewhere around this 92 and 88 or even 80 range. But if it doesn't drop till inauguration, it just keeps on pushing forward, keep on pumping up, then of course a huge reversal is imminent. Unfortunately, market is all but psychological game, psychological warfare. Trading is more of a psychology. You have to mentally prepare yourself. You just think it's gonna be a setup. I'm gonna enter a sell buy and no. If you're a scalper, then yes. But if you're a swing trader or somebody who longs, then it's more of a you are up fighting a war in your head while holding that long or short, and that is the most hardest thing to do. Okay, guys, please hit the like button. Today, I want 50 likes. I'll be streaming and we'll be having lots of activities today. Since today is an inauguration day, so I have a special offer for you guys. I will give 20% off on any say what do you say signal package, but there are only two spots. If you want the signal services with along with other stuff, you can get 20% off, but there are only two spots. Okay, so message me immediately. I will give you 20% off either it's on 1 week, 2 week, 1 month, 3 month, 1 year, or lifetime. Hell, even on the sixth batch, which is starting from 1st February, yeah, let's do this shit. I give 20% off on it too. I already did a lot for you guys in the morning. If you guys were here during Tokyo session and took this sell, damn. Who was watching? Just one or two guys. But yeah, we are still in a drop, right? Still dropping. If you are late for the party, it's the blame is on you, not on the market. If you are late for the party, it's on you. Okay, people are coming in. Then so in short, 600 people are invited, close family relatives, party members, people who bought the ticket, of course, rich ass millionaire dudes. Some people, guests who were invited, most probably Wall Street millionaires, fucking tech giants, and of course the Senate and Parliament or whatever the hell they have over there. Thank you for the heart, whoever that is. And in short, let me tell you the overall position. I'm in a short Bitcoin, I'm on a short on gold. These are exact same. These I took the exact same entry on Friday over here. Okay, took profits and got in a buy. Now entered again exact same entry. Previous Friday, last Friday gold entries. Took another one over here. Elite wave is saying is gonna drop, so it's gonna drop. I don't care about the news or the Trump. I follow the elite wave. Okay, just do it. Let's go back to Bitcoin. Bitcoin daily reached all-time high. Now possibly a price rejection. One, his ass is touching on the trend line. His fucking head is touching on the all-time high. I mean, what the hell am I supposed to do? His fucking touching His ass is turning, yeah, literally his ass is touching the trend line, the head is touching all time high, and then you are stuck. Monthly candle, as I said that this is 20th January, so most probably then whatever happens next is gonna be bearish because it's monthly closing candle time, baby. So if this thing drops down way down to around 93,600, then the monthly candle will turn in bearish. Yes, you have to look 10 moves ahead in order to understand what the fuck is happening. If it further drops down below 93,000, then the monthly candle will be red. Monthly 2025 January candle, the first month of the 2025 year, starting with Donald Trump inauguration, turning in red, breaking all hell loose, all the FOMO buyers sitting over here, getting butt fucked. Sorry, but I can't stop myself. And is gold was supposedly, should have gone here, but I think it will drop down till here, touch the trend line, and then continue its upward momentum. Because elite wave after that fifth impulse wave around here, after this drop around here, it will again move up, move up, push up. Given that Donald Trump wants to start a war with the cartels in Mexico and Canada, so likely creating uncertainty in the market, pushing the investors to head for fuck no. Oh no! No, 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 no. I almost closed this. So, this is. And guys, be active, guys. Come on. I only have one problem with you guys. You guys are not taking trading seriously. 2024 ended. People shared their um, progress with me. They improved. A lot of good stuff happened in their life. But majority people, they don't even care what they're doing. They're either not serious to or they're taking like it's trading as like a joke. It's like something as a hobby. Please don't do this with yourself, please. Anyway, so all eyes on this. uh, Let me put the alerts. First alert is over here. Maintenance. Fucking maintenance for alerts, for fuck's sake. What the fuck is wrong with this damn word? The alerts are on fucking maintenance. Why the hell is New York not open? It should be open, right? No, New York will open after 15 minutes. Yeah. It's dropping. Gold is dropping now. So, high five, guys. Gold is dropping. Hey, what's up, Zoravar? Hey, bro, how are you? I was extremely profitable. So, as the you guys, nothing, man, just messing with you. No, everything is fine. Everything is normal. Trading is normal. Having good days, having bad days, but majority of good days, making profits, making scalp swings. What's happening far from markets from months? Yeah, finally we are here in January 2025, Donald Trump inauguration, market pumping. You saw what happened with Donald Trump coin, Trump official. I bought around at $25, but still holding it, not gonna sell it. See what where it goes. I also bought her wife's coin, Melina, the first lady, and it was around $2-3. So it and the last time I checked it went high as $8 by $10. I don't know, man, but a lot of good stuff is happening in the market. So finger crossed, finger crossed, man. And right now there is a huge drop coming on Bitcoin right before the Trump inauguration. It's gonna take a couple of hours to actually understand what the hell is happening, but in overall The exact scenario is that a dump before the if the market wants to pump, so before the pump we will see a huge drop, huge. And say if goes the other way, if market wants to drop, we will see a pump, and I think we already got the pump because market expected a drop. That's why it pumped before that. This is by experience. I'm saying this. If before the major news or whatsoever, the market either pumps or dumps, it means the exact opposite is gonna happen. So, given that right now on 1 hour and on 4 hour on Bitcoin, I'm possibly seeing normal bearish divergence, hidden bearish divergence, and a bunch of other stuff with a combination of other stuff. This thing is going haywire. It's gonna drop down. And as far as gold is concerned, gold is just too easy right now. Gold is too easy to trade just because, as I said, November, December. If you survive November, December, you can survive anything. And then the rest of the months are easy. They're a joke. Look at this. Elite wave is dropping, right? It's supposed to drop, right? So, NSL, that's it. Trend line on 1 hourly, where is it sitting? 2680 range, right? Mark it up. Open sell. Here is your TP. Confirmation. A lot of confirmation. I mean, you don't even need me then, man. If you know all this stuff. Trust me, that's how it is. By the way, where were you, man? How is life? How is the wifey? Wifey. And how is everybody back home? And how are you doing, by the way? How was New Year? How was vacation? How was Christmas? Hit the like button, guys. Subscribe the channel, man. We are making profits. Let's go. It's dropping, dropping. Just 10 minutes left for the US market. It is holiday over there, but it's bank holiday, right? Market is gonna be open. But that means that a huge chunk of volume is not gonna be there. So most likely the institutes, I don't know, that can do whatever the fuck they want. I think a drop is coming. Why? Because elite wave is never wrong. I can be wrong while judging this wave. This wave can't be wrong as fuck. I just open a cell and I will leave it running, like leave it. That's what I need you guys to do exactly the same. Trust the process. Bitcoin, on the other hand, 1 hour candle has pushed this into a bearish candle, exactly sitting at 106 right now, in between 106 and next, in short, 107k from 108. And the very next question is that will it bend? Will it drop down further to the golden Fibonacci zone, the zone which I've been waiting for? 0.618, then 0.50, then 0.382. The golden standard of retracement. If it's able to retrace back within this zone like it did the last time and retrace back up, we're gonna immediately take our profits and enter a buy, because Donald Trump is gonna come in and stock keep yapping and it can pump up. Or if it drops down, because as I said that if market wants to pump, it dropped before that, and if market wants to drop, it pumped. So exactly that's what I'm saying. Now since the pump happened, I'm exactly sure that in the inauguration it will drop down, and it can be as big as these candles over here. It can even be hellish, like 10k drop. Remember that $10,000 drop in 5 seconds? It can be that too. I mean, Of course, if the majority of the stakeholders are MicroStrategy, and before that it's BlackRock, right? So they can short squeeze everybody, take their money, you know, liquidate them, then go on a spot and buy all that sweet ass Bitcoin at cheap price. That's how market robs you. It's a nasty game. Good brother, good. I'm happy for you. Just holiday finish. Gonna start work soon and trading soon. Have big goals this year in trading. Nice man. I hope you achieve those goals. And try to do one thing. Write down how much money you want to make, even if it's $1 million. Write it down. Right, for example, write down the date that by the end of this year, 31st December 2025, I will have $1 million in my hand. Do that, and keep on thinking that you have to make $1 million at the end. And it's gonna happen. How it's gonna happen? God is gonna show you way. Destiny will, make path for you. I don't know how this stuff works, but it works for me like this way. So I need you to do the exact same thing. Trust in God no matter what religion you follow. And believe in your goals. Without a purpose, a human life is like a raft in an ocean, just drifting here and there without a purpose. I try to stream as much as possible. Mm. There are 2,700. Okay, you wanna make this much. Want to have 90,000 in bank after tax and rest in trading account. Let's see manifestation. Bro, also one more thing. Try to trade on crypto. Try to get on a Bullex platform and start trading on it. But I think you should hit for 100k or 500k. Come out of your comfort zone. Wait a second. Is he coming? Is Donald Trump coming? Okay, voice check. I was like, holy shit, he's coming. So just for clarification, yeah, I'm waiting for a drop. First Israeli hostage United. Okay. Yeah, guys, I'm back. I don't know, I had a cough. He's dropping now. All eyes on Donald Trump. Okay, not again. There is a normal bearish divergence. The fact that the market pumped before the inauguration is a huge sign that the market will drop upon inauguration because previously the market wanted to make a pump and it dropped during the entire fucking process of that celebration that they're having, and as soon as after the dinner Trump came in, boom, all time high, baby. Now before that we saw the pump carried itself into the New York, sorry, into the London and into the New York. Gold is dropping. Okay. Nothing, man. I'm just sick. I'm just sick. I'm expecting gold to drop. I'm expecting Bitcoin to drop. Alright. Okay, baby, here we are. Donald Trump inauguration, baby. Still gonna take time. I think a drop is. I don't think I know a drop is coming. Gold, Bitcoin. Stock market is gonna be closed because of bank holiday, but tomorrow it will open with a gap down. Anything can happen. Keep an eye. CCI, RSI, everything is oversold. Hit the like button, guys. 50 likes for the stream. Today is a big day, guys. Make the stream big too. Hit the like button, subscribe the channel, hit the notification bell to stay updated. I expect a big drop because of the so-called market. Give me a break, I'll be back. So here we are. Here we are, and it seems like the market is just playing with off. Hold on a second. Messages. What? So yeah, when the news come, I expect New York open right now, but keep in mind that the stock market is closed because of Martin Luther King holiday. It's his birthday. It was his birthday. Elliott Wave is expecting a drop. the daily candle, the Friday daily candle is bearish, so I expect price possibly going below 2703 and it will drop massively. This zone, once it breaks this zone, is gonna drop off. So today is a nice scalp. It's gonna be a easy scalp. Bitcoin is dropping too. And by the way, guys, the Pro Bull Traders 6th batch is starting from 1st February. Uh, Only 20 seats are available as for now. 12 seats are free. 7 seats are booked. 6, 5 or 6 got confirmed. 1 or 2 haven't confirmed. Still waiting for the payment. But in for short, 12 to 13 seats are available. You still have 10 days left. And I'm giving 20% off today to 2 people. They join the 6 batch or they take the 20% off on the Signal group package. And we are moving our Signal group to another platform, but trading services, Signal services will be available on Telegram, but it will be sent on individual clients receipt DM inside their DM. Because of that, a lot of people are migrating. Some of people are staying on Telegram, so it's taking long, but we will eventually reach out to everybody. We are doing this in order to improve our services and to also give you guys a platform and build our market space. We are eventually now targeting a huge huge audience on a social media platform now. So we need your support. We need you guys to join us in our path of achieving financial freedom together. Pro Trader, let's make money together. We ended 2024 and with profits. Not all of us, of course, some of them they are still struggling, but majority are, and inshallah we will try to close 2025 with profits too. And when will Trump talk, man? It's still taking a lot of time before that. I think market is just waiting for him to come and just start dropping. I don't know. But it is eventually dropping. The more it's taking time, I think it will start dropping. Gold is expected to drop soon. Bitcoin is preparing to drop, I think, because we already saw a pump, and I said that when market wants to drop, it makes a pump. When it wants to pump, it makes a drop. Earlier on this morning, it wanted to make a pump, so it made a drop. Now it wants to make a drop, so it made a pump earlier on, followed up by 3-4 hour bullish candles, and looking forward to 4 hour candle, which is bearish right now. Of course, this candle will not magically turn into bullish until and unless Donald Trump says something, or it might be that the matrix is just trying to mess with your head. But in any both cases, don't be a retailer today. Think like a institute. Imagine that you have $500 million in your account. You're an institution, and you're looking down at the retailer and everybody else who are bullish, and then what do you want to do? Squeeze them or let them in today? So let me give you the answer. I'll squeeze them, because those fuckers up there are pure evil. They are cold hard motherfuckers. They don't give a shit about our life savings or whatsoever. They are just fucking greedy asshole who travel in private jets talking about global warming. They go on vacation with fucking Victoria's Secret models on yachts, eat caviar, and talk shit. Fake ass people. So watch out, okay? Join the Pro Wolf Trader and beat the system, beat the matrix. Change your mentality. Join the Pro Wolf Alpha mentality. I made signal groups cheap as possible for those individuals who have a small budget. The smallest signal group package is now available for $25 for 1 week signal. This was for I did this after 4-5 months of receiving non-stop requests, and I cannot make it any more cheaper, because if something is cheap or free, it's not worth it, right? And I was here in the morning, go on YouTube. There was no trader who gave the signal of a dump. I was the only trader on YouTube who sat down in Tokyo session saying that he's dumping. Nobody, everybody was sleeping or doing whatever the fuck they were in their life. I was the only guy who's I sensed the volume, I sensed the drop. Can anybody do that? No. Fuck the haters. Hit the like button. Come on, guys. And I want 500 subscribers. God damn it. Subscribers aren't even going up now. The hell? Yeah, Azad, I know, brother. You were late. I was asleep and I left the stream running. I woke up and I turned it off then. One hour, come on, drop 1 hour. For fuck's sake, drop down. This 1 hour. Again, I'm saying, oh, fuck my leg. This is what's happening. Chongqing. And this is gold, baby, gold. Gold will take time and drop down. Gold will but drop down. Baby, drop down. Drop down. No, 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 no. Baby, give me a lo, 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 lo. All eyes on Bitcoin. This is 15 minutes, by the way. This is 5 minutes. This is 1 minute. Now, being on 1 minute gives you an advantage. It tells you what's happening. It's like a snake. I'm not gonna remove this trend line now. This is like a snake move. It can go up too, but try to understand. If you can stare at 1 minute time frame for 1 hour daily and keep on doing this for the 5 6 months, you will be able to see the matrix code line. I'll be back. It's getting way colder over here. Where is Donald Trump? Where the fuck is he, man? Okay, 1 hour, please drop down. Please drop down to 100k so we can take our profits and walk away. I don't want anything below 100k, it's not my need. You can drop to 90,000. I don't give a fuck today. Today's inauguration day. I just want to scalp and walk away. Gold will not, there is no high impact, nothing. Gold, even because of inauguration, nothing is happening. Volume is not even there on gold. Gold is there. So, Bitcoin is what? Bitcoin is Bitcoin, baby. And people who are saying that Bitcoin is gonna pump, listen, I don't know. It can pump or it can dump. 90% chances that it will pump. But the fact that in Tokyo session it dropped because it wanted to pump earlier on, and the fact that it kept on pumping the way before inauguration is a clear sign of indication that the market wants to drop. This is a professional advice. Don't take it as a financial advice. It can still have the potential to go above and beyond all-time high. But the fact that you need to understand how the market, what is institutions, how liquidity is grabbed, how market forces utilize market session in order to liquidate you, how they know when you will place a order, how they know that when you will enter a long where your stop loss is, they can see everything. And they will, if they want to pump the Bitcoin, which it will, but before that, they will hit your stop loss, they will liquidate you, then they will move forward. So I always say, don't enter on market open. Enter before market, 2 hours in London session. Be prepared well ahead, either in Tokyo or in London. Or even if you want to trade in London, open a trade before Tokyo. But a Tokyo session is safe for opening a trade. Why? Because it's really suitable. Hold on a second. shit, holy shit, something has happened. Holy shit, look at dollar index. Dollar index just dropped down. And Euro USD pumped up. Gold is dropping down slowly. I don't know what the fuck is happening, guys. Please go on the social media and see what is happening. Trump departs Blair House for church service. I don't know what's happening, why the dollar index is dropping. Can anybody tell me what's happening, guys? Please. I'm panicking right now because there is no high impact news. Nothing. Euro USD is pumping, is going up and down like a crazy. Holy shit. I didn't sign up for this shit today. Bitcoin is pumping now. Is this what is what we were talking about? Holy shit. What's happening, guys? Beep. Dollar index is dropping. Look at dollar index. Oh my god. Euro USD is pumping. What the fuck happened? Something has happened. Something has happened. Guys, please immediately check what has happened. Trump to lay out trade vision but won't impose new tariffs yet. Trump memo to call for evaluation trade relations with China, Mexico. Okay, this is the why the dollar index is dropping. The market see this. Holy shit! Trump memo to call for evaluating trade relationships. So means that whatever he talked about, he's taking his words back. Trump to lay out trade vision but won't impose new tariffs. He won't impose any tariffs. He talked all about that shit stuff that he's gonna impose tariff this and that and gold everything dollar started going down as fucking this means that this is bad news for gold. Gold will drop down. Also, Bitcoin can also drop down because good relations means fucking this. Holy shit. This is a disaster, guys. What the fuck is Trump doing, man? You know, Trump, he's not the man of it. He says something as soon as he's in power. If he comes out and he says he's not gonna do anything that he said he would in terms of Bitcoin, I mean the fact that he launched his own coin and then he's like, I'm gonna focus on my Trump coin, rather leave the Bitcoin, on the side and make new strategy. He's gonna fucking crash the market. Look at gold dropping, guys. Our gold trade is absolutely in profits. As I said over here, this I said like I always say something happens in the matrix that sends the price down. And I said Elliott wave is never wrong. And I feel like we are living in a matrix, not in a reality. I plotted every time I say these way before anything else. And now look, the ways happening, man, is crazy. Bitcoin will drop too. Bitcoin will drop too. Bitcoin is done. It will pump up eventually, because you know how crazy this shit is. Then, of course, as soon as Trump starts coming out, look at Euro JPY. Oh, Euro JPY. Look at Euro JPY. Oh, it's not fucking loading. Oh, damn it. Oh my god. Look at gold. Gold is gonna drop. TP, all TPs are gonna hit. Euro USD is crazy. Look at Euro USD. My chart is not even loading. Hell, God help me. What the hell is happening? It's gonna just remember this trend line. This will be our buy area. Okay. Just waiting for the Bitcoin to drop now. This was insane, man. You can't even trust Donald Trump. Oh my god. If I didn't knew what was causing that pump up and down, I would lost my shit if I wouldn't see the news. Look at gold now. Gold is gonna drop now. All eyes on Bitcoin now. Bitcoin has to do his part now. Add fire to the fuel. Dump, dump, dump. Pada pada dump, dump, dump. Pada pada dump, dump, dump. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Bitcoin, why are you pumping Bitcoin? What do you wanna achieve, Bitcoin? There is no way out of this shit. Your only way is going down. The only way is down, Bitcoin. The only way is down. The only way is down. Let's look at gold. I'm just gonna sit back and relax. Donald Trump already did my work. I don't even need to work hard. I don't even need to do any technical analysis, any fundamental analysis, any sentiment. I just have to follow Trump now on X and just wait for him to tweet and then just open any commodity instrument and just buy and sell depending upon what the hell he's tweeting and hula profits made, baby. Trump 2.0 is like 1.0 all over again. Look at this massive drop on gold. Easy profit. Hit the like button, guys. Subscribe the channel. Look at this drop. Hmm. You see this volume? This is the kind of a volume that should scare the shit out of you guys. This volume will of course also enter over here, but give it some time. Trump has departed Blair House for church service. He's gonna go to church. It's gonna take, I think, at least 2-3 hours or an hour or so. I don't know, man. But before he actually reaches to that specific area, because he's gonna walk. Obama started this trend, of walking up. Like before that, there was no trend. So until he goes and does all that thing, I think we would be sitting somewhere on the somewhere deep down on gold. Gold will drop down, Bitcoin will drop down, everything will be down. Given that what he has tweeted, he's a smart ass man. He knows what he's doing. He knows by the time I do everything, the market will be low. As soon as I'll come on the TV, everything's gonna start pumping up and I'll show that I have power. The world is under my control. Will throw the market down, and when he will come on the TV, there will be enough space for the price to pump back up, and that's how it's gonna be. Guys, that's what exactly is happening. Just keep an eye on the news right now. I'm still waiting. Everybody's waiting. We are watching it live.
ये गेम का कोई लॉक
Exactly, that's what happening right now. And just waiting for the price on Bitcoin. You know what? Let's as as we are already on a sell position on gold, we look at this. Bitcoin will take time, but gold is already dropping. Trump did it. Trump did it. Here's the drop now. Here's the drop on gold. TP1 is hit. 2705 TP1 hit. Holy shit, the drop is real on gold. Guys, hit the like button, subscribe the channel, hit the notification bell to stay updated. Today I'm giving two spots for anybody who can claim 20% off either on the sixth batch of Pro Wolf Trader or any signal group service package starting from 1 month to lifetime. Also, two new packages introduced for those people who have low equity after high demand, 1 week and 2 week packages. For details, go on Telegram and message Pro Wolf Trader or hit the pin messages or go on the Discord official and you'll find there a tab saying buy signal group and signal services, and then every all the details are over there. And sixth batch of Pro Wolf Trader beginner batch is starting from 1st February. The last date of registration is 31st January. There are 13, 12 to 13 seats available, so grab it before they are gone, or even if they are not gone, the time the registration date is over, I will not include anybody even if he is willing to pay amount. No, I'm a man of my word. Anyways, watch Bloomberg today, watch Fox News, watch BBC, watch whatever you want, but watch something because, and follow Trump on X. I don't know if you have to install a VPN or something, but not following Trump, Elon Musk is gonna leave your account in call margin or huge losses because this dude tweets like a fucker and moves the market a lot. Trading in this time, gold is easy. Forex, I'm scared as fuck. Look at what he did with Euro USD. Gold is dropping more. This week I had a target of hitting 500 subscribers. Let's see if we can do this or not. 500 subscribers till Friday. Just waiting for the Bitcoin to drop. As for now, gold is dropping down. After hitting TP1 is back above. Same entry area. Enter sell again, go hit TP1 again, come keep on doing this. Fuck. Possibly a rejection seen on 1 hour. On 1 hour, there are lots of rejections. Let me do today something which I never did before. Now, if you pay attention, you'll see that this area is exactly falling in the golden zone. I mean, if it's able to break past these golden zone, here we are sitting then. Let's see where we go today. We still have a couple of hours wait, and Bitcoin is dropping gold again. Sell, baby, sell. Guys who are in the premium signal group, guys, you have the signal. If price hits TP1, goes back to the entry area, just take another entry and keep on doing this till we actually have a break, and just put all those trades on break even after hitting TP1. Keep on doing this until you have a breakdown, and you'll be 100% profit, 0% risk. Pro Wolf Trader, baby, let's make money together. Hit the like button, subscribe button, share the channel, hit the bell notification, then go on the roof and jump down. I mean in the pool, not from the cliff. Just messing with your head. Just was trying to see if you guys are awake or like zombie like. Still 2 hours, 9 minutes left for this 4 hourly baby to close. If this thing closes red, it will be like this. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Patience is everything. Patience is everything. Slow is the fast way. Fast is the slow way. What do you understand by this? If you answer it correctly, I'm gonna give you one reward. Slow is the fast way, and fast way is the slow way. If you understood what it means, type it down. You only have one chance. If you guess it right, I will give you a surprise. Oh my god, dollar index still dropping. For fuck's sake, dollar index. Dollar index is gonna be. Oh my Euro USD. Oh my god, Euro USD. Euro USD, please. Don't. Euro USD is like. I'm coming back. Monthly candle is green. Can you understand this? Monthly candle USD was bearish. It went up green. What the fuck? What the fuck is this? I didn't open gold. Holy shit. Look at this. This is 1 hour, not 5 minutes, 1 hour. And this is just right after Trump tax. And if you think you're gonna buy this fucking candle, you are gonna fucking kill yourself. Let me tell you about the pumps on Euro USD. Baby, the thing how these pumps work is that you just wait for the 1 hourly closure of this candle, okay? And right about after 8 minutes, this candle is gonna close. And then the next candle you have to wait. If keys pumping, you're not gonna sell. If you want to sell, you will sell around here, this resistance zones. You see these areas. So if you want to sell now, you will be looking for a sell around here, this area. Not here, here. I'll come back exactly after half an hour. Then I will show you guys. Remind me, okay? Let's go back to gold. Gold went up, came back down. See? Easy, easy peasy. For fuck's sake, why is the news channel freezing all the time? 6 minutes left for the 1 hourly candle to close. President-elect Trump departs Blair House. Gold is dropping. Four hourly still bearish. Just 5 minutes left for the 1 hourly candle to close. And we might see a dump on gold further on. I can't say anything about Bitcoin, but gold is surely dropping. This drop is gonna take gold to 2690. The slower one gonna finish faster than the faster one. No, this is just 25% correct. The other 75% is missing. No, I mean it. I mean, you were right, but just 25%. You missed the whole other story. Uh, okay, so Trump has arrived at St. John's Church. Yeah, I know, man. Nice, by the way, but that was a nice try. But I mean, thing that made me happy is that you at least were able to understand it. That is enough. That gives way enough information for anybody to understand how your trade mentality is, which is really on point. Because if you'll try to rush things, you know how bad it can get. But you are missing some other parts which I will explain before the end of the stream. Bitcoin, sorry, gold is dropping now. Gold is again, it went back up again to 2709, the entry area. Now is going, it went back to 27045 now. This is the third time it did this. Now it's heading back down. Oh my trading. What the hell is happening, man? Why is my screen black? I think I have an issue. Let me fix the issue. I don't know what's wrong suddenly. It just stuck. Guys, give me a second. I'm fixing the issue. Don't go anywhere. Guys, it seems like the issue is still there, and the only way to fix this issue is to restart my PC. So I don't know if you guys will be here or not. So give me 3 minutes. Let me go and restart my PC and my stream, okay? Then I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere.